How to add your YouTube channel link to Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll be discussing about adding your YouTube channel link to Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and then click on Settings. From here, tap on Account Info and then scroll down, and there you will see the section of social networks. Here you can add your Facebook link, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and Guilded. So in the case, if you want to add your YouTube channel link to Roblox, simply go ahead and tap on the box of YouTube. Now, go to youtube.com, open your channel, and then copy the URL link from the top. Once you do that, come back to Roblox, and in the YouTube section bar, simply paste the link over here and then tap on Save on the bottom right corner. You can also adjust the visibility settings on your Roblox, like who can see the links to your social network profiles. And there is the option of everyone, friends, followers, and people you follow, friends, followers, and people that you follow, friends and people that you follow, friends, or no one. Once you set your visibility, tap on Save again, and you'll be done. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can add your YouTube link to your Roblox account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.